Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be part-time, afternoon and evenings, like a 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. type shift. So it's not throughout the night. It is more afternoon, evening type hours, and it is going to be for those of you who don't mind customer service. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company Exec Online. They have 63 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a part-time, now this is a contractor 1099 role for a tier 1 customer support specialist. This is remote within the United States. But again, they have availability during blocks 24/7. They operate their customer service 24/7, but they currently specifically need somebody to cover the 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time weekdays shift. Weekends are possible, but the shift is right now for weekdays only. But they're looking for somebody who has experience working customer support for executives or businesses are highly valued. Someone who knows software as a solution or software as a service, product, and application settings. They're specifically looking for somebody to work 10 to 20 hours a week. Candidates do have to be authorized to work in the United States, but you'll basically support the clients with their tech, logistical, and other needs through email, chat, phone, and web-based tools. You'll accurately identify and troubleshoot any technical and non-technical issues they have in a timely manner. You'll escalate any more complex issues up the chain. You'll demonstrate being familiar with standard concepts, practices, and procedures of their programs, learning the content and the technical products. Now it says with training, they are going to train you on that. You'll also be tasked with monitoring live online video conferencing events and providing live immediate assistance to those participants. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just somebody who has 1 to 3 years of work experience. They prefer somebody who has experience in software as a solution company or product or tech division, but just 1 to 3 years of work experience. Somebody who has great communication skills, familiar with Salesforce, and has great task management or time management skills. Now, it does say you will be highly valued and probably skip to the front of the line if you're fluent in Spanish, French, or Japanese, but that is not required. Unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do offer a standard benefit package that includes paid time off and 401k. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.